Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. Name a country that starts with the letter T. Togo, Thailand, and Tanzania. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter L. Lettuce, leeks, and lentils. Name a color that starts with the letter B. Blue, brown, and black. Name an animal that starts with the letter C. Cat, cow, and cheetah. Name a fruit that starts with the letter M. Mango, melon, and mandarin. Name a country that starts with the letter S. Spain, Sweden, and Sri Lanka. Name a job that starts with the letter D. Doctor, designer, and driver. Name a sport that starts with the letter F. Football, fencing, and Formula 1. Name a city that starts with the letter L. London, Lisbon, and Los Angeles. Name a food that starts with the letter P. Pizza, pasta, and pancake. Medium mode. Name a country that starts with the letter I. India, Italy, and Ireland. Name an animal that starts with the letter E. Elephant, eagle, and elk. Name a fruit that starts with the letter A. Apple, avocado, and apricot. Name a color that starts with the letter G. Green, gray, and gold. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter C. Carrot, cabbage, and cauliflower. Name a country that starts with the letter M. Mexico, Malaysia, and Morocco. Name a job that starts with the letter T. Teacher, tailor, and technician. Name a sport that starts with the letter B. Basketball, boxing, and badminton. Name a city that starts with the letter P. Paris, Prague, and Perth. Name a food that starts with the letter R. Rice, ramen, and ravioli. Hard mode. Name a country that starts with the letter N. Norway, Nepal, and Nigeria. Name an animal that starts with the letter H. Horse, hamster, and hyena. Name a fruit that starts with the letter P. Pineapple, papaya, and peach. Name a color that starts with the letter O. Orange, olive, and ochre. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter B. Broccoli, beetroot, and beans. Name a country that starts with the letter A. Australia, Austria, and Argentina. Name a job that starts with the letter E. Engineer, electrician, and editor. Name a sport that starts with the letter T. Tennis, table tennis, and taekwondo. Name a city that starts with the letter S. Sydney, Seoul, and Singapore. Name a food that starts with the letter C. Cake, curry, and cheese. Insane mode. Name a country that starts with the letter J. Japan, Jordan, and Jamaica. Name an animal that starts with the letter P. Panda, penguin, and parrot. Name a fruit that starts with the letter K. Kiwi, kumquat, and kawano. Name a color that starts with the letter V. Violet, vanilla, and vermilion. Name a vegetable that starts with the letter S. Spinach, sweet potato, and squash. Name a country that starts with the letter F. France, Finland, and Fiji. Name a job that starts with the letter P. Pilot, photographer, and plumber. Name a sport that starts with the letter S. swimming, surfing, and skating. Name a city that starts with the letter B. Berlin, Bangkok, and Barcelona. Name a food that starts with the letter S. Sandwich, spaghetti, and sushi. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun quiz videos.